The 2026 Tata Punch Facelift has achieved a 5-star Bharat NCAP safety rating, scoring 30.5832 in Adult Occupant Protection and 45/49 in Child Occupant Protection, making it one of the safest micro-SUVs in India. The rating applies across all variants, including petrol and CNG models. Bharat NCAP crash test results. Tata Punch 2026. Adult Occupant Protection, AOP. Score, 30.5832. Frontal offset deformable barrier, 14.7116. Side impact movable deformable barrier, 15.8716. Cabin integrity remained stable, with excellent protection for head, chest, and knees. Child Occupant Protection, COP. Score, 45/49. Strong CRS, child restraint system, compatibility. ISOFIX mounts and 3-point seatbelts across variants. Key safety features in 2026 Facelift. 6 airbags, depending on variant. Electronic stability control, escape. ABS with EBD. Rear parking sensors and camera. ISOFIX child seat mounts. Improved body structure for crash energy absorption. Why this matters? Family buyers. Punch 2026 is now the safest choice in the micro-SUV category. Market differentiation reinforces Tata Motors' reputation for prioritizing safety. Nexon. Altroz. Harrier also scored 5 stars. Regulatory impact. Bharat NCAP ratings are increasingly influencing purchase decisions in India, especially for urban buyers. Considerations. No diesel option. Punch remains petrol CNG only. ADAS features missing, unlike some rivals. Punch does not yet offer advanced driver assistance systems. Price premium. Safety features push pricing higher compared to entry-level competitors. Bottom line. The Tata Punch 2026 Facelift sets a new benchmark in micro-SUV safety, with its 5-star Bharat NCAP rating across all variants. For Indian buyers in 2026, it is the safest and most reliable option in its class, especially for families prioritizing child safety. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.